From now on, we will study about the preparatory pronoun it. Because the two infinitive and gerund indicate a description about the experience, condition, or action, the two infinitive and gerund can be applied as the subject or object in a clause. A speaker can convey the intention in a clause with a subject or an object to indicate a description. In this clause, a verb or the objective complement describes the subject or the object. Then we can think of the occasion that the two infinitive or gerund include a description to indicate an experience or condition or an action, and the verb or the objective complement describes the subject or the object with a description to indicate an experience or condition or an action. The preparatory pronoun it replaces the subject or object to include the indication about the description, the experience, condition, or action, to emphasize on the description by the verb or the objective complement. So the preparatory it replaces the subject or the object ahead of the verb or the objective complement when the speaker intends to emphasize the definition of the verb or the objective complement. The subject or object replaced by the preparatory pronoun it is stated after the clause is completely stated. There is an example. It is good to pray with gratitude. The subject of the clause, which is replaced by the preparatory pronoun it, is the phrase of the two infinitive, to pray with gratitude. The speaker avoids the ambiguity when the listeners hear the root infinitive pray ahead of the be verb is. That is the main description of this clause. Because the listeners who hear this clause can think of the main description is stated by the root infinitive that has the same form as a verb instead of the description by the be verb is. So the speaker replaces the subject to pray with gratitude into the preparatory pronoun it. Thank you for watching.